Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. So today I'm going to take all the overlays I have on the front headlight and show you how I can remove those easy. If you remember, I did this side marker overlay and I did the clear film over the headlight and the fog light here. I'm going to focus on showing you how to remove the film over the headlight and then the little marker light. So if you want to switch it up, say you want to put a tint on there, I'll show you how to do that. Really easy, doesn't take long, and it's safe. Okay, so you just gonna need a heat gun or a blow dryer. So I'm just gonna heat up the vinyl I have covering the side marker here. If you remember, I did a light smoke on that one. And a rule here is you don't want to overheat it because it actually makes it harder. So you just want enough just to get the edge, and then you're gonna pull it. Okay, so once you get the corner started, same thing, you're just gonna pull it and remove it. Now here I'm putting a lot of heat and I'm noticing it's getting harder, it's getting stretchy. So you kind of don't want that, but that just comes off, okay? One piece, it's easy. Okay, now the headlight is a 3M clear material. It's one piece, goes over the whole thing. Highly recommend it, protects your headlights and doesn't change the light output. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here when I remove it, how the headlights look brand new. It's kind of like the protective film for your car, but for the headlights. So here, I just got the corner started, and you're just gonna pull it. See, the mistake I'm gonna make here, I'm gonna put heat behind it, which I probably shouldn't do, because it's coming off, and see, when you do that, it's gonna stretch this material. See, and it tore. It doesn't really need it. The heat, it's crazy, just a little bit of heat, and it does that. It really stretches the vinyl. So I'm just gonna heat it up right here a little bit, just to soften the adhesive, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. And it should come off in one piece. There you go. Easy. One whole piece. So again, didn't yellow, if you can see that, didn't change the headlight, the look of it. I'm a big fan of this stuff because of that. It doesn't like change the headlights, doesn't dim them, nothing like that, but look at the headlights. It's a 2-year-old car. Normally you get haze or some rock chips, nothing on it. Looks like the day I got it. So I recommend, like for me personally, if I get a new car, I'll put new covers on the headlights to protect it. And you can't even tell they're on there. Okay guys? So I just wanted to share that with you really quick, how to remove it successfully without leaving residue and protect your headlights at the same time. Okay? So hope everyone's doing good out there, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks again.